Fast para. Go.
Irhan, loudly. Hello, Ryan. Are you there? Ryan, Irhan, be quiet. Please, my little sister is sleeping. Irhan, oh, sorry. I didn't mean to be loud. Let's play carom.
Okay, be seated. Second para. Go.
Ryan, okay, but speak in a low voice. Don't be noisy. Irhan, got it. Give me a glass of water, please. I am thirsty. Ryan, sure. Ryan leaves and returns with a glass of water. Here you go. Drink slowly.
Okay, very good. Yes, sir.
Iran thinks the water is bit cold. I prefer warm water. Ryan, me too. Now get the carom board. It's near the bookshelf on that far. Iran, I can't see it. It's
পেছনের
dark
ছেলেটা কথা বলে
here.
না।
Ryan, oh, I see. Let me turn the light
Sit down,
on.
sit down.